Prediction markets are one of the fastest growing markets in the financial industry, and crypto prediction markets are growing even faster. Now, we're going to take a look at some of them in the video today. Now, depending on what region you are from, you may or may not have access to this, but we're going to discuss it nonetheless. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay Bro, and I do want to say thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for understanding that AI now runs YouTube, so with it, we got to be as careful as possible. They are allowing general discussions about crypto, NFTs, and other digital assets. That is all that this video is. It is not a promise, promotion, recommendation, suggestion, or guarantee for you guys to do anything. It is simply you and I talking about what is going on in the crypto space, what's going on with some price action, and in the video specifically today, we're going to be talking about some crypto market prediction markets. Now, crypto prediction markets are blockchain-based platforms that allow users to buy and sell shares of the outcome of future events using cryptocurrency for trading and payouts. These decentralized platforms, which cover politics, sports, and economic trends, have gained significant traction, with some platforms recording billions in trading volume. They're considered more accurate than traditional polls because they're backed by financial incentives. So clearly, if you go out there, and you just ask somebody a question, they can come up with whatever answer they want. But when they put their money where their mouth is, it's what they truly believe. So how it works. Users essentially buy yes or no shares for an event, and if the prediction is correct, the share pays out $1. Otherwise, it becomes worthless. Now, I'm going to jump in and show you what that looks like on Polymarket in a second here, so you get a little bit better of an understanding, but let's see just how big this market truly is. Prediction markets are expected to double in value, reaching up to $70 billion in 2026. Even Kraken, one of the largest crypto exchanges, plans to enter the prediction market in 2026, and Polymarket is expanding its offerings to include real estate, and it's working on a return to the United States market. Well, looking at Polymarket here, they do have a section for cryptocurrency, so I want to show you what this would look like if you were to actually use it. Now, I do not have an account. I'm not signed up with this. You guys can go sign up for it if you want, all that good stuff. But let's take a look at this one, because this one is going to make the easiest sense. It says Bitcoin above blank on January 8th. Now, clearly, above 78,000, above 80,000, these are both 100% yeses based on the current, poll answers from the audience here. But let's expand this. If we come out and we click on this, you can see all of the options. And I want to show you how this works. So let's make sure that you guys can see the full screen here, and you can. Now, the way that this works is currently the chance of Bitcoin closing above $78,000 on January 8th is voted in at 100% yes. So if you were to buy a yes contract, right, and you were going to come out here with $1, it would essentially pay out $1. It's all but guaranteed to happen. You'd have to go $100, right? If you bet $100, you could win $48.53 if you're betting on a yes. Now, this is interesting, okay? If you clicked no and you were going to buy a no, and you were willing to put your money where your mouth was to the tune of, well, let's just go nice even 100, it would be $23,311. That's how strong of a belief users have that Bitcoin will close above $78,000 on January 8th. Now, from there, you can expand it, okay? This is where it starts to get a little closer. 86,000, 88,000, 90,000, and so on. So let's say that you believe Bitcoin is going to close above 96. We're going to get a little bit of a surge over the next couple of days. You could buy a yes on that for 100. I mean, you can go all the way back down to 1 if you would like, right? Let's just go $1 there. If you bought a yes on that, it's $58.82. So you can see why people are so enticed by this, especially the long shots that are out there. Now, of course, you could go through and you can mess with this and change the dollar amounts and so on, the prediction amounts and so on based on your preferences. They've got these. What price will Bitcoin hit in January? So if Bitcoin at any point in time in January is above or below $60,000, you could buy this. Yes. And of course, you could come out here with $1 and it would pay out $155. Now, clearly, that's a long shot. I myself do not believe that Bitcoin is going to go below $60,000 in January. And this extends to the rest of the cryptocurrency market as well. You can see what prices is Solana going to hit, what prices Ethereum going to hit, and so on. I guess the better the odds are, the lower the payout. Worse the odds are, the larger the payout. So it is completely up to you if you want to go for the long shots or almost the shoe-ins. But with that being said, this is a market that is gaining a lot of attention in 2026. This is a market that is expected to more than double in growth during 2026. Now, a lot of wallets do offer prediction markets within them if it's available in your region. And some of the best cryptocurrency wallets out there are Best Wallet. If you haven't seen this one, it is extremely easy to use. As a matter of fact, I use Best Wallet. And if you're interested in downloading it, you got a link for it down in the description below. These guys have a lot of features available. So, it's more than just being able to buy, sell, swap, and store your cryptocurrency. Also, if you want to learn or if you want to get direct insights on what these market analytics are looking at when talking about crypto prediction markets, make sure to check out the On-Chain Academy. This is a group of people absolutely dedicated to taking their blockchain knowledge, cryptocurrency experience to the next level. There's a lot to learn and a lot to be achieved by joining a cryptocurrency trading group, and On-Chain Academy is one of the best. You guys got links for everything down in the description below. Let me know what you think about it, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.